how to get more, how to find a better good looking font without actually scrolling like a robot like this, without actually scrolling like this, which you're unable to. You can click more fonts. You can also choose whatever you want, then you can select by popularity or trending, which means it's going to be very good, like this one. See, you can have a good font like this, and also delete the default font Calibri. You can also add this font, 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 add this font to be fancy, and then we can just use it. So here it's much more better, it's much more clearer. To make it look aesthetic. It's not aesthetic, but it definitely looks better.